Wow. Damn. That is a gloomy day today. It needs a wash. We're gonna get that done today. But hey, oh my god, why is it blurry? Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, it is your boy Eddie, aka InZaNe TRD. And we are going to start the day at the gym. Or I should say morning at the gym. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym this morning just to get a nice little workout before I get to washing the car today. And possibly going to a meet, or possibly going to my friend's house to watch the tank fight. So I definitely want to see that today. So we're gonna see that regardless, but I don't know where. Either my friends or I'm gonna just watch it here at the house. Before we even get to the gym, I just want to say thank you guys all so much for showing so much love on the last video, and just showing love in general. Like, I truly appreciate it. I'm super grateful for it. Like, y'all are dope as fuck. Let's get this little co-start in right now. Yeah, let's see if we can even hear some. Oh. Whoa, it was the AC, my bad, the AC was on. But you guys can tell it's no longer as loud as I would want it to be. But we're gonna fix that pretty soon. Trust me, we're gonna fix it soon. Hopefully before Fuel Fest, which is next week. So if you guys are going to Fuel Fest, say what's up to your boy. I'm gonna be there. So yeah, hopefully we get this little sound situation fixed. Because I know before it was way louder, and I kind of miss it, regret it, as you guys saw in the previous video. But yeah, it sucks. Oh, you can hear like the little burbles. I don't know if you guys, if the camera caught it, but you can hear like the very small little burbles that it wants to do, but like the muffler's restricting it, as well as the resonator. Like, I don't know, I just have a feeling if I got rid of those mufflers, it just have it that nice little sound that I want. We'll see. Let's see if you can hear the pops. Cannot hear them at all. I didn't expect to hit some chest today because I got an express right here, but I guess I'm gonna hit some bench. I was trying to hit just arms, but everything's pretty packed right now, so I'm just gonna go with some chest right now.
Trying to get us a dub, counting numbers, like how many you got in this monkey basement that stays hella hot.
I have no spotters, so I have to pick this up myself. I have now, finished my workout. I'm low-key tired. It became like a chest and arms workout at the end, but fuck it. I got a good ass pump. Damn, look at this section. Like it's just sitting over here by herself. Damn. Damn. She looks so good just parked here. Bro, I still need to put these fender liners in. I mean, wheel liners, I'm sorry. I still need to get them put in ASAP. But I also need to get I need to cut the car a little bit more just because it's still rubs here and there. So I gotta get that fixed ASAP as well. But other than that, she's still pretty. Package secured. Picked up some Dave's hot chicken because I was craving it, and I had to pick some up for my little brother as well. Hopefully he likes it. I don't know if he does or not, but I picked some up for him. And Dave's is pretty fire sometimes when it's hitting the spot. Like when you crave it, it's bomb. So I've been craving it, and why not? Okay, so I finished eating already. I'm full. But I gotta wash the car because she's dirty and it's not hot, so it's like perfect weather to wash the car right now. So I'm gonna do that, but I gotta move my sister's car first. And yeah. Sounds like this machine's about to fuck. If it gives up on me, I'm gonna have to have the car wash guy wash my car. Well, hopefully it don't give up on me.
Say hi to the camera, look. Like, say hi, Nino.
Ooh, she is all nice and cleaned up. Damn. She cleaned up good. I'm just saying. Bro. Every time she's clean, she looks so good. So guys, the videos you guys just saw was probably like a couple days ago, and today is the day. Today's the Aero kit is finally done. So I'm gonna put gas because your boy needs gas, and we're gonna head out there. I'm just excited, bro. I'm excited. Oh, I just wonder how it's gonna look. The whole side skirt length, the width of the lip, and the splats, like how the car's gonna look overall, aggressive or not. Like, oh, I'm just excited, bro. I can't wait to like get it installed and see how it looks. But yeah, my fellows, we are here. Look at Tony's STI, bro. Or I don't even know if it's STI. I think it is STI, but WRX, bro, that shit's sexy. The Hawkeye. I wanted that car so bad, but and I'm getting a Camry. Let's go in there and see what's up. So right here, guys, we got the rear splats. These are the splats right here. Then we got the side skirts. He just showed me the mock-up right now, and bro, this is gonna look crazy. It's gonna look way more aggressive, and I'm excited. The lip, he has it over there on the other side. We mocked it up on the front as well. So we got the right rear splat on, and look how it lines up with the wheel, just so nice. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Looks sick. Damn, this is what my car looks like without a bumper, guys. Holy shit. Tony working on the lip right over there. Yes, sir. I got no face. No face, no case. I just rocked the no bumper look, huh? That'd be dope though, that'd be dope. So we got the rear splats installed already. We got this one installed and this one installed. And you see how it lines up with the wheel, guys? Look. And then we got the one side skirt right there. And then the other side skirt's right there, obviously. And it's gonna line up just with the wheel. He showed me earlier, like I said, how it's gonna look, and it looks fucking sick. So So we have the front lip on, and as you can see, he's got little spaces in the bottom right there to kind of level out the lip. But damn son, it's wider, looks sick, covers that up a little bit. But other than that, looks sick. Left to do is just the side skirt extensions, then it should be complete. But overall looks pretty dope, and that lip is aggressive. That fuck, and bro, it's so strong too, so I don't even know if it'd break because it's so strong. But I like the little spaces he did in the bottom, pretty dope. But yeah, still still angles up just a little bit, but we shall see how it looks on the floor. Damn, bruh. I gotta wait till I put it outside because it looks sick. It looks sick. Like, bro, you gotta see it in person because it looks so sick. Like the black on black camouflages and everything. It looks so sick, but it don't do it justice, bro. You gotta see it in person. The back looks aggressive too. She looks like a thickie. Whole ass thickie. And I was being a little picky too, and he fixed it up for me. And shout out to Tony, bro. He put in hours and work in it, and I appreciate him so much, for real, for real. Like, I'm sure he's tired, he's hungry, but Tony, I appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. That looks sick as fuck. Oh, I had to step outside to look at it, and damn, son. It's so hard to tell because it's black, so it's like, but it looks so sick. Lines up right with the wheel. Same with the extensions, lines up right with the wheel. You see that? See that? Damn, bro. Same thing with the rear splats. Lines up right with the wheel. So hard to tell because it's black on black and like the sunlight contrast and all that. But it looks so sick, bro. So sick. Now I just need to wash her up so it can look all clean. My wheels is dirty as hell. I still need to get that fixed. But other than that, she looking pretty. I wish the lip sat a little lower, but it's okay. It's okay, we'll fix that soon or some other day. Well, I don't know. But look at that. You guys are wondering how much it sticks out? It sticks out 2 inches. And then we got Tony right there. Hell yeah. Shout out to Tony, man. He a real one. I felt bad because I had to like have him readjust like the splats back there, and I felt bad. He has a haircut appointment. He's getting married this Sunday, so Tony, if you're watching this, congratulations on your wedding, man. And you know, I hope you have the time of your life. I made it up my driveway. I'm good. I'm chilling. This is crazy though. This is crazy though. The lip is so damn freaking long, fam. Look at that shit, man. Look at that shit, man. The side skirts too. Everything just looks so good. This kit will be compatible for the TRDs except for the lip. The lip, you won't have that winglet there if you do try to get it shipped out, just because the shipping process, he said, it just wouldn't work with it, or I'm not too sure what it was. But if you do want the lip, he could send it out without the winglet, and it would sit flush with the TRD lip, not have that space like mine, unless you drive to him, which he's located in Santa Clarita. So if you end up doing this kit and you want to pick it up and he can install it for you, then cool. And if any other non-Camry TRD wants this kit, I would suggest hitting him up if you're local only, and drive up to him and he'll get you settled and get you right. Yeah guys, this is the kit. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this kit. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not? So we got the splat, you know what I mean? Got the splat right there with the side skirts lined up with the wheels, wide body, you feel me? But yeah, let me know. I'm really curious of what you guys think about the kit, the Aero kit. If you guys fuck with it, if you guys don't, let me know. But yeah, guys, I think this will be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and if you guys did like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys are not yet part of the family, Saturday will be Fuel Fest day, so if you guys are pulling up to Fuel Fest, make sure y'all say what's up. And I will be having, I'll show you guys in the house actually, because I haven't showed you guys this, so we will not be ending the video just yet. Yeah, so what I wanted to show you guys was this, my new jet tags. Like I told you guys in the previous video, InZaNe Society and stay positive. I went with InZaNe Society. It's more of a society thing. It's for everybody. I didn't want it just to be based off the TRD, because not everybody has a TRD, you feel me? So if you guys want one, I will be selling them tomorrow. I mean at Fuel Fest on Saturday. If you guys are there, I will be taking a couple, so if you guys want one, let me know. I got y'all. And I got a lot. I'm stacked. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. And yeah, so those are cool. Let me know. But yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.